2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, fog lights, compass, power windows, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, power moonroof. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.